All right, hello everybody. Hopefully I got this down right. Anyway, my name is Robert Frenzel. This is my intro presentation for PPA 577. Let's see, I grew up here in Southern California, not too far away from Long Beach State. Went to Cypress High School in Cypress, California, which is right about there. After that, I decided to go away for college. Went up to the beautiful state of Oregon. Lived in a small town in southern Oregon called Medford, which, if you don't know where that is, it's right about there. And the university in that area is Southern Oregon University, which is quite a nice little place to go to school. Had fun there, majored in political science. Eventually, after I was done, political science is a degree that signs you up for more school, so I moved to Portland and decided that I wanted to become a teacher. There's Portland. Portland's also a nice place. You should visit if you've never been. But I went to Portland State University and got a master's degree in education there. And I lived up in Oregon for 11 years. It was a good place. Along the way, I got married, had a baby girl, and became a teacher. I taught history and government and economics to mostly to juniors and seniors at the high school level, but eventually started to get homesick for good old California and moved here. Moved back about 4 years ago. Unfortunately, I found it quite difficult to find a teaching job in Southern California doing what I did. And so I decided to go back to school at Long Beach State and get a master's in public administration. But a funny thing happened along the way. Sometimes you get hired for that job that you applied to a year ago. So I actually now am a real property appraiser for the Assessor's Department for Los Angeles County. And at the same time, still I'm pursuing the Master's in Public Administration. So that keeps me busy. But when I'm not doing any of those things, I do really like to go camping. I enjoy the outdoors, camping, hiking, fishing, all that kind of stuff. I also enjoy playing disc golf, which I don't know. It's one of those things that when you're young, I did that because it was cheaper than golf, and I still enjoy it. I'm also an avid baseball fan, a huge Los Angeles Angels fan. In fact, my father and I, once a year, we do a road trip to go catch them in another stadium somewhere else. So it's taken us to Seattle and Chicago, Pittsburgh, Texas, and all sorts of other places. So it's kind of a fun little annual tradition that we do. So anyway, that's me, Robert Frenzel. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time.